for even in defeat, there's a valuable lesson learned, so it's all up to me. This simple quote has not only brought relief in my life, it helped loosen the weight from my shoulders when I felt stressed or worried after I failed at something. I'm sure every one of you have experienced failure. I was a year 5 insert at CKY school, so it came to my surprise that one day my teacher gave me a piece of paper inviting me to go through an interview with the principal to become a prefect. If you were wearing that prefect badge, you were treated like a king. The teachers will call you up more often, the students will respect you, and wearing that badge showed that you were a top student in the grade. But I didn't want to become a prefect for that reason. I wanted to make my parents proud. I wanted to achieve my goal, to get a scholarship to Oxford University, and becoming a prefect was a step to do so. This interview meant the entire world to me. I spent 45 minutes of the day before researching all the possible questions they would ask me and the perfect answers. I was very worried when I walked into the principal's office. So I talked to the principal, which went well enough, and left the room after we had done. The results of the interview would be sent to us tomorrow. I left the room with high hopes. The next day, I checked my email. I saw a mail from the principal. The email said, "Dear Leanna, I am sorry, but you will not be invited to the prefect team next year." Those words echoed through my head, and my mind couldn't process it. I gave up. I didn't care anymore. Have you ever had a failure in your life that was so bitter and strong that you gave up? Right now, it has only been 5 months since the incident, but I learned a few things on the way. You have to show confidence instead of fear. You have to always be active and participating. I wasn't in the prefect team, but even though I didn't go through it, I am now a class monitor. I felt more confident again and ready to start over. I will not lose, for even in defeat, there's a valuable lesson learned, so it's all up to me. Failure is normal. Everyone fails. Failure is what built Elon Musk to be the richest person in the world. J.K. Rowling's first Harry Potter book was rejected 12 times before being accepted. Albert Einstein couldn't speak until he was 4 and couldn't read until he was 7. If all these people had gave up and never persevered, would they have become the successful people they are and were today? No, they changed the world from persevering through their failures. My advice for you is whenever you fall, don't worry. In the enormous journey of life, you will fall on the path, but you have to learn to pick yourself up. Remember, that is normal. If these people can change the world, you can too. Don't lose hope. Don't give up, and don't give in. After becoming class monitor, I continued on and on. I achieved an outstanding character award, and I hope to go on further and further until I reach my goal. This is proof that failures build us up stronger and stronger. I will not lose, for even in defeat, there's a valuable lesson learned, so it's all up to me. Thank you.